Hi guys, it's Ian Coleman. It is the 13th of May 2021, 10 to 9 in the morning in the UK. I wanted to do an early video because it got some important levels on the dollar majors. I hope you didn't get wrong-footed on that CPI data yesterday. Remember in yesterday morning's video we were talking about that inflation figure and how it would be closely watched by the market. What happened was we got higher than expected. The market or the dollar pumped higher, and then it had this huge retracement, and I think it probably took a lot of people out as it dipped back down before buyers returned. So it's quite nasty price action. So let's have a look at that, the dollar basket. So here we've basically had our first wave. It looks like a reverse head and shoulders pattern. So left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and then the breakout. And then what happened was that candle there, we had this huge spike up at 1 o'clock or 1:30, and then it came all the way back down and retested the breakout level, and then we had that rally to the upside. I've got to express caution here. We've got a 261.8% extension level. So what I'm looking for today, whether or not I'm going to get it and whether this dollar is going to continue to the upside, I have taken some profit off the table in dollar CAD and sterling dollar, but I'm now looking to get in on pullbacks. I will not be selling this potential move, and the reason I won't be selling this potential move is because I want this move, and this is the daily chart that we've been talking about. So we want this move to the upside. We don't want these little intraday corrections. And what can happen if you try and play these intraday corrections, you just get caught offside, and this rally doesn't stop or correct lower, and it just keeps on pumping higher. So let's have a look at the dollar majors and what I believe is happening there. So again, we've got some sort of warning signs. Let's go to euro dollar first. So this was a price action to the downside. We've hit this level here, so you can see it was quite pivotal. We've hit it. We've posted what's known as a DMARC 9 and a DMARC 13, and we started to see a correction to the upside. Now I would love to get short of euro dollar up around here, and the reason being behind that is going to this 1 hour chart. So if we get that dollar correction lower, then basically here 261.8% and 88.6 makes a perfect bat formation. So is this little spoof lower this morning just to get a few long shorts involved again, and then not make a new low and continue to the upside. Cable's a bit different. This was a head and shoulders pattern that we spoke about yesterday. It hit that near, well, not pit perfect, it broke through, and then we've had this retracement. Now sterling is weaker than euro when we look at the single baskets, and I've actually got a stop down here which I think was at 140.08, so it's a DMARC stop. So I think what we could do in this dollar major is actually complete this 261.8% extension before we go higher, and then we'll look to sell into that rally. If we go to dollar Swiss, again, do you really want to be jumping on this trend? We've got a previous swing high here. We have had a dip back down. We might get up to 91.10. Again, the focus is going to be on the dollar, but then really what we want to be doing is buying into dips. Dollar yen broke the flag formation to the upside. I don't really like playing this when it's risk off because the dollar has a tendency to move higher, and so does yen, so we can get some proper choppy price action. This could well form a little reverse head and shoulders pattern and then come down to retest this channel breakout. So it's not the pair I want to be involved in. Dollar CAD, however, and the Canadian dollar being now quite weak. Like I said, I was looking for pullbacks. I was looking at this potential head and shoulders pattern. I'm still going to look for pullbacks, but obviously not to this level, as we're having quite a sustained breakout now. Aussie dollar, again, warning signs that we could get a correction. first wave, potential second wave, third wave, can extend to 361.8%. Again, I want to be selling into rallies. I don't want to be buying this dip. And then lastly, New Zealand dollar, just pushing through 261.8% at the moment. Again, I want to be selling into rallies, not buying into dips on this dollar strength. So what I'm looking for is a potential, just going back to the dollar, is for this not to extend too much higher, and for a reversal to then buy into. Okay, guys, good luck, and I'll be back again soon with some more insights. Many thanks.